Children, today I would like to discuss about the a brief introduction about linear equations topic. A mathematical sentence which has is equal to sign, which has is equal to sign known as known as equation. This is the definition of equation, children. Next, coming to second point, LHS. The full form of LHS is left hand side, and the full form of RHS is right hand side. For every equation we will have both LHS and RHS. For example, if I write an equation x plus 3 is equal to 8, in this x plus 3 is called LHS, 8 is called RHS. I hope you understood. Next, coming to fourth one, variables. Variables means what? Letters which has no fixed value. Letters which has no fixed value. Example, X, Y, Z, A, P, B, R, C, Q, L, M, N, etc. Any English alphabet we can use as variable. Why it has no fixed value? Because in x plus 3 is equal to 8, what could be the value of x? X value will be 5. Because if I put 5 in place of x, then it becomes LHS is equal to RHS. For example, in x plus 6 is equal to 10, the value of x will be how much? X will be 4. So here x value is 5, here x value is 4. That means x is a letter which has no fixed value. That's why they are called variable. Next, coming to fifth point, point number 5, constants. Constants means which has fixed value. Which has fixed value. That means, example, 5. 5 is a constant because it is a fixed value. The value of 5 in India is 5 only. In America is also 5 only. The value of 10 in the entire universe, it is 10 only. The value of minus 3 in the entire world it is minus 3 only. The value of 7 by 6 will be same everywhere. Like that, these kind of things we call them as constants. Now, coming to the point number 6, an equation with degree 1. An equation with degree 1 is known as An equation with degree 1 is known as linear equation. Okay, children? Next, point number 7. A linear equation with one variable, a linear equation with one variable is known as simple equation. Is known as simple equation. Okay, children? Once again, an equation with degree 1 is known as linear equation. A linear equation with one variable is known as simple equation. I give you description for this with the following examples. You can see 2x plus 3 is equal to 15. It is equation because it has equal to. It has both variable and coefficients. How many variables are there? Only one variable, that is x. And what is the power of x? There is no power of x, which means we can take it as 1. The power of x nothing means we can take it as 1. Okay, children? So 2x plus 3 is equal to 15 is a linear equation and simple equation. It is linear equation and simple equation. For example, let me take another example. 2x plus 3y is equal to 15. If we take this, the power of x is 1, the power of y is also 1. So the degree is 1. Degree is 1 means it is a linear equation. But how many variables are there here? 2 variables. So I can conclude that it is a linear equation. It is a linear equation but not simple equation. It is a linear equation but not simple equation. Let me take third example, one more example I want to take. Look at this one. 3x square plus 9 is equal to 25. Here you can see the power of x is 2. That means it is degree 2. So as the degree 2, but it has only one variable. So it is not a simple equation. It is not a simple equation and not a linear equation. Okay. So from this we can conclude one more point, that point number 7 or 8 something else. The general form of simple equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. The general form of simple equation is ax plus b is equal to 0. You can take example, any values in place of a and b, like 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, 3x 7x minus 5 is equal to 0. Like that we can have n number of examples. Similarly, we can have the general form of linear equation will be ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, it is with two variables. Okay, children, that's all. This is the introduction about the topic linear equation with one variable or simple equation. Thank you.